In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add GoHighLevel API credentials to n8n. We're going to connect n8n with your GoHighLevel account so that your workflows can authenticate properly and run without manual copying and pasting. This is quick, but I'll guide you carefully so everything is clear. Start in n8n. On the left-hand sidebar, look for the section labeled Personal. Click that to open your personal workspace settings. Inside this area, switch to the Credentials tab. This tab is where all your saved connections live, and it's where you'll create a new one for GoHighLevel. Click the Create Credentials button to begin. This opens a window that lists all available credential types. In the search box, type High Level. You'll see the High Level credential option appear in the results. Select it. Choosing this template ensures that n8n expects the exact fields required for GoHighLevel, and it saves you from guessing what needs to be filled out. Now you'll see the credential form. Give your credential a clear, memorable name so you can recognize it later, especially if you manage multiple accounts or environments. Next, enter your GoHighLevel credentials in the fields provided. Depending on your setup, this typically includes items like an API key and, in some cases, a specific account or sub-account identifier. Make sure you paste these values accurately without extra spaces. If there's a spot for an optional description, it's helpful to note what this credential is for, such as the project or workflow it will support. When everything looks correct, click Save. n8n will store this securely for reuse across your workflows. After saving, you'll be returned to the credentials list, and you'll see your new high-level credential listed there. From this point on, anytime you add a high-level node to a workflow, you can select this saved credential from the Credentials dropdown. This allows the node to authenticate automatically and interact with your GoHighLevel data as soon as you run or schedule the workflow. If you ever need to rotate or update your API details, you can come back to this same Credentials tab, open the saved entry, and adjust the fields without editing every single node. And that's it. You've added your GoHighLevel API credentials to n8n, saved them for future use, and made them available to any high-level node you create. This small setup step keeps your automations clean, secure, and easy to maintain.